Alright, tomorrow exam 80% of the questions based on electrochemical series. Okay. 80% of the questions based on only electrochemical series, which we are going to write exam this week. So this is the equation I given. Can you write anode reaction, cathode reaction? Right at anode reaction. At anode, oxidation takes place. We should below this point. Already I given this is. Right. At anode oxide, which is anode, which is cathode, identify. Then write anode reaction, cathode reaction in your notes. So after writing, I am going to ask you. Then you can show it through video, sir. Through video, you can show you wrote or not. Write it fast. Only 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. I'm giving time for this one, sir. Alright, I'm opening first here. 51 student participants is there, means again almost 49. Everyone are able to see screen, which is participants is there on screen. Are able to see that one? Please check into that one. Open participants on the screen. Are able to see that one? Please check every school your own participants are. How many people is there? I think so. Participants you may can see from your side also. Just go through 1 minute. You may can remember those people. How many people is there starting and ending? You can find out. Please look into that one fast, participants. At least remember with respect to your school. No need other people. Just with respect to your school. How many people came? You can see that one. Fast. You remembered or not? Let me know that one. With respect to school, how many people is there? Then I need end of the class. How many people they left from the class? Who they are lefting? I need to see that one. Who they are leaving from class? Please look into that one fast, everyone. Open your participants. Only your school you can remember, sir. At least we can see participants with respect to you now 51. So 39 people is there. Just look into only you can see that one because you can remember easily your school people. Then, so shall we move on our concept? I think so everyone you can look into your school people who is present, who is absent. Otherwise, you can note down fast few people codes with codes or roll numbers if you know those people. At the end of the class, also I need that one. Done. Okay. At anode, oxidation takes place, which is I wrote left side. This is the anode side. Left side is anode. Okay. Loss of electrons. Anode is loss of electrons. Right? Zn. Zn gives rise to electrons. This is the cathode. Reaction. Ag plus electron gives rise Ag. But number of electrons should be cancel each other. So here 2 electrons is there. You have to, then only that will become 2 electrons. So now reaction is balanced. We have to balance our net reaction should not contain any electrons. 2 will be cancelled. Understood? This is the net reaction. Please note down that point. That point you can add here. Under note you can note down. Net reaction should not contain electrons. So I think everyone is completed. Please check it this one. Very simple how to write also you can see. Zinc and Zn2 plus. How many electron difference? That many you can write. Which is first one is reactant, second one is product. Here Ag plus is the reactant, Ag is product. So in between that electrons you can write. So try this example, metal non-metal combination. And I need to know here E naught cell also, sir. Please calculate E naught cell value. Look into the electrochemical. How much? Substitute and give your answer. E naught cell value. What is the E naught cell value? E naught, what is the formula, sir? E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So which is the cathode, which is anode here? Cathode is Ag, anode is zinc. Cathode value, look into that series. What is the Ag value they given? 0.80 minus of minus 0.76. So this is your value. How much you are getting? 1.56 volt. Positive or negative? Positive. This sign also more important. Positive means that reaction can take place spontaneously. Next, try this reaction. Metal non-metal combination. Write anode reaction, cathode reaction, then followed by. Hydrogen electrode, how to represent? Already we given that one. This is fixed. Platinum doesn't participate in the reaction. Just write that is only these two participate. So how to write? Already I show that one. What they are converting? Just write electron difference. Try it everyone seriously. Don't act to write slowly. I don't like that one. Even you are acting also, that's not good for you. Try to participate. Today, if you are not good means, you can learn Saturday, Sunday, and come back Monday at least participate actively. But don't act, na. Lifelong we can't act. That's not good. So most of the people are acting. I seen in the schools. When we are writing on board, sir, I'm still copying, sir. Why you are doing like that of acting here? We understood or not? That's enough. If you are not understood, then work out. Don't understand means again study that one. If understood, give answer. Be active mode. And I'm going to be asked you today at least last 10 minutes notes. I'm going to be asked you date wise. I required, sir. What you done date wise? I can spend 10 minutes time for you people. So now 54 means at least 52 people is there this class. Arey, who came? You joined recently? Arey, now one person is left. Who joined, sir? Recently, within 5-10 minutes below. Who joined? Send through SMS. Correct. Write equations also. Some people they join now. Who is that people? You have to remember at least few elements order. Not E0 values. E0 value they provide in examination, but some questions based on E0 value they will give increasing order, decreasing order. Not exactly value they will give. So magnesium anode. Refer the series and give answer E0 cell value. First one is anode. Second one is cathode. Write reactions anode and cathode. At anode reaction oxidation takes place. Mg gives rise Mg2 plus. Mg and Mg2 plus I wrote. Next, how many electrons I have to write, sir? 2 plus means they lost 2 electrons. Here, H plus electron, sir, gives rise. How much is there? H2. There are how many hydrogens? 2 hydrogens. That's why I have to keep 2 H plus. Then 2 electrons also. If I add all these things, electron will be cancelled. Mg plus 2H plus gives rise. Sorry, Mg2 plus H2. Understood? So what is the E cell value? E0 cell value. Calculate. I need to get all students answer. Very few people are giving answers means remaining people they are not understanding. Right, tomorrow easiest exam that is which you are going to write this weekend exam. 80% of the question I given based on electrochemical series. So at least you can try this time maximum your best score. Participate and get it answers. 50 people they have to give answers, sir. There only I am getting very few people. Why not remaining people not giving answers? Why people not giving remaining people answers? They refer NCERT book. What is the table they give reduction potential for magnesium? Magnesium they give how much? Minus 2.36 volt. For hydrogen they give how much, sir? 0. That you have to know that one 0 hydrogen. The substitute formula E cathode minus C anode, you know that formula. Which is anode, which is cathode, sir? Which is left side I am writing that is anode. Na? Why you are confusing? Yesterday I given 2 points. First read yesterday I given 2 points, which is I given yesterday. 2 points you noted down. Please read the 2 points 2 times, 3 times. Read the 2 points yesterday we given, which is acts as anode, which is acts as cathode. E0 cell equal to E0 cathode minus E0 anode. But condition I given, both are reduction potentials. Anyway, our table is reduction potentials only. Then substitute. E naught cathode is 0. Hydrogen value is 0, sir. Minus 2.36. So 2.36 volt is your answer. Got it? So E cell positive means spontaneous reaction. E cell or inert cell is positive means spontaneous reaction. The spontaneous means it can take place. We don't want to provide any extra energy. Okay, next, right? Note down these two reactions. Calculate E naught cell value for two reactions, sir. E naught cell. And identify which is anode, which is cathode also by looking at the reaction. Identify each reaction which is anode, which is cathode. Then tell E cell values also, E naught cell values. Refer table, sir. E naught cell value, the magnesium they given, hydrogen you know already. Take time, then refer, then give answers. Correct. Tarana is correct. Stanley correct. I give answer. Only two people, sir. Still, how many people is there here? 50, 49 people is there, sir. You may can provide answers. Okay, first reaction you are writing. By looking reaction also you have to give anode cathode. Are I given 2 points? Can you read the 2 points first? Yesterday I given 2 points after that series, which is the E naught value high they have cathode and anode, something the words I mentioned. How many people read sir that is? Check here. Copper 0 state, this is plus 2 copper here, means this oxidation. So copper undergo oxidation, Cu gives rise Cu2 plus 2 electrons. Here H is plus 1, here 0 oxidation state, any elemental state is 0 only. So H plus you can take 2H plus 2 electrons, gives rise H2. This is a net reaction happened here. So Cl minus, here also minus 1, here also minus 1. So which is oxidation state doesn't change. That ions we don't want to consider, sir. We don't want to consider. Don't consider this is. Only which is changing, that's required. Then oxidation is copper, reduction is H plus. Then write E naught cell equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So cathode is reduction. Which is reductions are here? Which is reduction? Hydrogen. So 0 value. Minus which is anode? Copper is the anode. Copper value 0.34 plus sir. So E naught cell equal to minus 0.34. Try to apply for magnesium also. The magnesium already given. Magnesium MgCl2, this is the reaction given. Magnesium is the same reaction. Mg plus 2HCl gives rise MgCl2 plus H2. Similar reaction, sir. Net reaction. Mg is oxidation because Mg 0 to plus 2. Cl H is plus 1 to 0. You can get here. So E naught cell is how much you are getting, sir? E naught cell plus 2.36. This is positive. So which is the E naught cell is positive, that is spontaneous reaction. Above reaction can take place. Which I given this reaction 1 is not possible because negative E naught value. Please write reason. And reaction 2 already I provided. I hope you know that one. If any doubt you can ask through chat box. Huh? So this is spontaneous, but this is not possible because E naught cell is negative. Above 1 is E naught cell is positive. Got it? Now write one point here. Or you can ask any doubt, sir. Darshan, please check it here. Oxidation number you need to calculate. Loss of electrons is oxidation. For example, copper. Elemental state is 0 oxidation number. That won't gain electron, that won't lose. CuCl2. Suppose CuCl2. Copper, we don't know means X you can assume. Plus each Cl is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 equal to 0. X equal to, this is X minus 2 equal to 0. Then X equal to plus 2. Plus 2 means the loss of electron takes place. Clear? 0 to plus 2 means loss of electrons, which is loss of electrons means that is oxidation. Loss of electrons means oxidation. Here we can see hydrogen is +1, sir. HCl, Cl is -1 always, H is +1. Here 0. +1 to -1 means what happened? Electron gaining, sir. This is +1 is there. If I adding -1, then only that becomes 0. Means electron gaining indirectly. So this is electron gaining. So reduction we called. Electron gaining we call reduction. So you can find out oxidation reduction. Still, if you have any doubts, you people, oxidation reduction, how to find out, and redox reaction balancing and everything, and oxidation state calculation also, sir. I uploaded in my channel. You may can find out all these videos if you need. That's only. Okay, all we uploaded. You may can check it that one. So oxidation reduction you can find out. Okay. After that, once finding oxidation reduction, which is oxidation means you know that one, that is acts as anode. Which reduction means that can act as cathode. Then you know E cell value how to calculate. E naught cell equal to cathode minus anode. Just substitute, you will get your answers. So please note down these 2 points under note with color pen or something whatever. Please note down these 2 points under note. If E naught cell or E cell is positive, or delta G naught or delta G is negative, that reaction is spontaneous reaction. It produces electric current. Okay, it's electric current. Please note down these 2 points. After noting that point, please note down second point also. E naught cell or E cell is negative, exact opposite. Delta G positive. This is non-spontaneous or not spontaneous. You can write. It will not produce any electricity. Just if completed, let me know that one. Alright, Gautam Chiranjeevi, chlorine is not taking electrons, not giving electrons. Which is loss of electron takes place, the gain of electron takes place. That's the only important for us. Redox reaction. So redox reaction we need to takes place means with respect to electron losing and gaining. That's only you need to consider. Cl is left side is -1, right side also -1. Nothing is that not going to play any role. You can ask sir any doubts. Just type and leave na that one. Anyway, we are not talking anything. You won't get any feel, anything shy, nothing. Just type and leave that doubt. I will see that one. So completed. After completed, array count your members. Now that become 52. Who left, who came, please check that one sometimes. I need that number perfectly. Who is that person losing? Means leaving and coming. Array next class onwards we can do one thing. First 10 minutes you can take attendance. You can take, I will give some students responsibility in every school. You can take only your school people only. Not all people. Only your school. Maybe 5 members, 10 members, doesn't matter. You can take it. Please note down this also. Next one. Delta G and E cell relation, sir. Delta G equal to minus NF E cell. This is the relation between delta G and E cell relation. Delta G naught means we are writing delta G naught means delta G naught equal to minus NF E naught cell. N means number of electrons which is participating in the reactions. F means Faraday. I hope you know 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules. So we can solve one question. First note down this relation also, this 4 terms also. Then we can solve one question, delta G naught value. So which we are calculating all these things in terms of volts only. Now we can see above question we have one done. We done one question, which is mg h2 and everything, sir. What is the delta G value? Delta G equal to minus NF E naught cell. So N value is how many electrons are participating? 2 electrons in this reaction. So N is 2, F equal to 96500, E naught cell value 2.36. Please note on that point and substitute, calculate E naught cell value. How much you are getting value? That is in joules directly you are getting, sir. In joules that value you are getting, which that value is in joules only. Keep in mind, units see joules. Please write it. That is in joules only. Please note down unit also. Joules we are getting. So this is the relation between delta G NF E cell. Okay, delta G and E cell relation, that is. So if delta G is negative, then only spontaneous. You can check it, sir. When you will get delta G negative? Whenever E cell is positive. If E cell is positive, then only delta G is negative, then spontaneous. Can you open your electrochemical series from your NCERT book? Open, everyone. How many metals is there? Means positive value contain metals, not value positive, which is the contain. E naught value should be positive, which is the contain elements on it.
We are living in a bilingual talking book.
How many metals they given? Which is positive E naught value contain metals. Cu, Ag, Hg, Au, even iron plus 3 2 plus 2 also they given. So please keep in mind those elements. Anyway, non-metals have positive only. Non-metals have positive only, but I am telling about metals. Generally, metals E naught value should be negative. But now positive value they given, which is the positive elements. That's why I have to statement, sir. Which is positive E naught value contain. Please note down that point, sir. Which is positive E naught value contain metals should not replace hydrogen. See, this reaction is non-spontaneous or not? Why they can't replace? Because E cell we are getting, E naught cell is negative value. So the metals which is contain positive E naught values, those metals could not replace hydrogen from its reactions. They could not replace. Wherever they are telling about reaction, you can think about E cell is positive or negative. At least you have know that one which is above, which is the below that order, then you can calculate E cell is positive or negative. So my interest is at least you need to remember that some of the elements order wise. E naught values leave that one, we don't want to remember. At least order you need to remember, electrochemical series order. If you remember means you'll get too much benefit. So here copper is positive value, that's why they can't replace hydrogen from its compounds. But magnesium is negative or positive, sir? Like Ganesh, electrochemistry chapter is there, electrochemical series, how many pages they contain? NCERT book. You can't refer page number also. We are studying starting of the chapter only, na? 71 page number. So which one have negative E naught value? Next time don't ask anyone page number. That's very bad. One chapter have very few papers we covered. That's also we are not able to search means that's very bad. Next, any element, sir? Au. Au can replace this H plus as H plus from acids. Everything you have to see with respect to reaction only, sir. Suppose I given Au plus 3HCl gives rise AuCl3 plus 3 by 2 H2. Is it reaction spontaneous or not? I'm asking, sir. Can you give answer? If non-spontaneous, why reason? If spontaneous means why reason? Both I need reason, right? Spontaneous or feasible, that term they can use. Spontaneous or feasible, that term they can use. Spontaneous or feasible, the term they will give. Remember here 4 people they left. You should be remember that names. Please remember 4 people they left still now. Nagarjun, you misunderstood that point. Spontaneous or non-spontaneous? Non-spontaneous means reaction not takes place. Spontaneous means reaction takes place. Reaction is non-spontaneous. Reaction is non-spontaneous. Because A you have positive value, positive E naught value. E naught is positive, sir, this is. But hydrogen is 0. E naught value of Au 3 plus 2. Au is positive. If you are calculating E naught cell value, 0 minus whatever that positive value something, will get 0 only. 0 value. 0 means that is non-spontaneous or not. Correct. Calculate first E naught value. What is the AU E naught value? Please check that value. AU 3 plus 2 AU. What is the E naught value? Please note down. Open your NCRT book. Then what is the AU 3 plus E naught value, sir? AU 3 plus 1.40. Okay, fine. So AU E naught of AU 3 plus 2 AU 1.40 they given, sir. Which is oxidation, which is reduction here. AU 02 AU plus 3. This is oxidation. So this is anode. This is H is plus 1. Here 0. So this is cathode. So now E cell you can calculate. E naught cell equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. E naught cathode is 0 for hydrogen. This is minus E naught anode how much, sir? 1.40. You'll get minus 1.40. So E naught cell is negative, means it is spontaneous or non-spontaneous. Check it. Non-spontaneous. When you get, because this is 0, if this value is positive, then all the cases non-spontaneous only, na? E naught cathode hydrogen is 0. Whenever anode value is positive value, we are getting E naught cell. That every case is will get non-spontaneous only, unless that have negative sign. If negative means minus of minus positive will get. Otherwise, always non-spontaneous. Understood? How to calculate? Please find out E naught cell value. Any other, please? Or maybe people have, some people doubt which is oxidation, which is reduction. How to find out? First, you have to know how to calculate oxidation number. Go and see today. I mentioned that oxidation number calculation video also is there in our YouTube channel. We can go and search and read today. Look that one properly, then get it back. That is not one day work. You have to know that one everything perfectly. So today exam is over, tomorrow then I don't want to learn, means I can't do anything for you. Clear? Next, one more important model given, how to find out spontaneous or non-spontaneous by using E naught cell. You have to know that point very clearly. And maybe you can get one type of question, sir. Copper rod, wait it, sir. CU rod. Copper rod shall we store in zinc vessel? Okay. Suppose question is, wait. I will give question properly. CuSO4 solution shall we store in zinc vessel? That spelling you can get vessel, maybe. Okay, vessel means that is bowls or like that. Huh? Question mark. Is it possible or not? Check it. And second question. ZnSO4 solution shall we store copper vessel? Which is correct, sir? Both we can do or same, one is correct, one is wrong, you can check it. These type of questions you will get, sir. Be ready to solve that one. We can see that everything you can think about reactions only. Everything you can think about reactions. So I'm discussing first one. Please check it. A little bit fast you can do because I need to discuss one more model. So question number one, you can assume this is on two. Question number one, zinc vessel means that is zinc rod plus copper sulfate solution. If reaction takes place, assume that one ZnSO4 will get plus Cu will get. Is it reaction spontaneous or not? You can find out by using your E0 cell values. Okay, which is oxidation sir? Zn to Zn plus 2. Here Zn plus 2 oxidation state. This is 0. So oxidation. This is anode. Cu plus 2 here. Copper sulfate. Here 0. Array elemental state oxidation number is 0 sir. That won't combine anything. So here reduction. E0 values you can check it. Which is more negative value that can act as anode, which is less negative can act as positive. This spontaneous or not? E0 cell equal to E0 cathode minus E0 anode. E0 cathode is copper. Can you check it value copper? I think so 0.34 copper. Zinc is anode. That value is minus 0.76. This is positive or negative? 1.1 volt. Spontaneous. Array galvanic cell means this only galvanic cell, which is zinc. We are converting. This the galvanic cells means anode cathode only, nothing. So this is spontaneous. So if reaction is spontaneous means copper is sulfate. Copper sulfate converted to copper. I'm expecting copper sulfate solution that should not be destroyed. That should not spoil. But whenever I'm storing that copper sulfate becomes zinc sulfate, so I can't store this is because they can react each other. Now reverse we can think. Reverse is I think so possible. We can store sir. Second one. ZnSO4 plus CuSO4 Zn. This is non-spontaneous reaction, so we can store it. Zn plus 2 to 0, 0 to plus 2. So E0 cell of cathode minus E0 of anode. So cathode is reduction takes place sir, which is zinc. Okay, what is the cathode value? Minus 0.76. Anode value minus 0.34. You will get minus 1.1 volt. So this is minus, so non-spontaneous. So this reaction not occurs means you can safely you can store it. Reaction occur means you can't store it. Clear? So please note down with explanation also. Everything are related to E0 cell only. Everything in the nature what you are going to do, any chemical reactions, anything. That's with respect to E0 cell. Please note down all points why you can't store, why you can store. Because your reaction doesn't take place. So solution doesn't spoil. I can store. But your reaction takes place. So solution is copper sulfate becomes zinc sulfate. So I can't store. Because this is spontaneous reaction, we can't store that is. Plus then come to this point, one more question which is tomorrow we are going to get in examination, this type of model. Please note down this question. This is 2011 they given, 2020 JE model, 2020 2009. This many years came NEET question. Please note down this question. Even exactly same numerical value which is I thought in the class notes 2020 JE question, that's they came sir in January shift 2020 which is they wrote exactly whatever I given numerical value also didn't change, exactly question came 2020 JE means when which is I thought. So first note down this question little bit fast. We have to complete this question explanation. Array 4 people they left and came back. Okay. So try to find who left, who came, that is. You need to inform to me why you left also. I need reasons. You left means how can understand this concept in between? If you said that one any network issue or something, you can call your parents, then you can confirm that one. So network issue, whatever you are telling, that's we are going to be confirm that one. Yes, yes, you can give by using that electrochemical series order also, which is more reactive that we can't, means that is we can't use as a shell vessel. Okay, more reactive element or substance you can't make vessel because that can react with which you are keeping substance. Okay, fine, completed. Now we can see explanation. And this is like disproportionation reactions only. I'm going to be write copper Cu2 plus 2 Cu plus Cu plus 2 Cu. That values they given E naught values. But they're expecting Cu2 plus 2 Cu value. How to do that is. Please note down all these points. And fast you have to write. Can close our lesson, our class exactly on time. Cu2 plus 2 Cu plus then Cu. This is the thing. Assume that one here how many electrons are Cu2 plus 2 Cu plus means 1 electron difference. Cu plus 2 Cu means this also 1 electron difference. But Cu2 plus 2 Cu means how many electron difference? 2 electrons. Then corresponding E values. This is I am taking E1. This I am taking E2. This is E3 sir. So everyone you make an assume that one. I can write E3 equal to, they're asking copper Cu2 plus 2 Cu. You can read that question. E3 equal to E1 plus E2. So we can't add likely directly this is. Okay. We can't add directly that point. Please note down that one. Please note down E1 plus E2 we can't add because those are intensive properties. Intensive properties are not additive in nature. Just that line you can note down. We'll discuss later. There is actually thermodynamic point. Already 11th standard should be learned that things. Intensive properties are not in additive in nature. Additive means adding, sir. We can't add directly. That's the only. The spelling we can check it. Huh? Additive in nature. So additive is correct. Spelling ADDITIVE. Additive in nature. So you can't add directly, sir. These are intensive properties. Intensive property means that won't depends upon mass. For example, Ag plus electron Ag plus electron gives rise Ag. This reduction, that E naught value they mention here minus 0.80. This is fixed. If you want, you can see table. If you are multiplying this equation into 100 also, I am multiplying, sir, whole equation into 100 I am multiplying. So 100 Ag you can take, even 100 electrons you can take, 100 Ag you will get. But E naught value doesn't change. That is only fixed. That doesn't depends upon amount. That we call intensive property. The property which is independent of amount, those we call intensive property. So that's why these are intensive property. We can't add that one. We can add all these things in terms of delta G. In terms of delta G, we can add. So you can assume that one. Array NF cell, you know, na, delta G. Delta G is the extensive property. Extensive property. Extensive property. Extensive properties are additive in nature. Additive in nature. Additive in nature. So these we can add. So delta G is the extensive property. I am going to be add delta G. So this is the delta G3 I am assuming, delta G1, delta G2. Delta G equal to formula, I know that one. Delta G equal delta G and NF is relation. What is that one, sir? Delta G and NF is relation. Everyone you know that one. Delta G equal to minus F E cell. Okay, N is the number of electrons, F is Faraday, E is the E cell. So I am assuming here delta G3 equal to minus G3 means N3 F E3 I am taking, delta G1 equal to minus N1 F E1, delta G2 equal to minus N2 F E2. I can take minus F common, that will be cancelled. Then finally I will get E3 equal to N1 E1 plus N2 E2 by N3. Note down this formula. So now substitute E3 value I don't know because the question mark is E3 only. Cu2 plus 2 Cu they are asking, sir, in the question. First read that question properly. They are asking what is the value of Cu2 plus 2 Cu. This is I don't have. In the examination, out of these three, any two they will provide, third value you need to find out. In examination, out of three, any two values they will provide, one you need to calculate. But everything you have to convert into delta G only concept. So you can write E3 equal to N1. I think N1 means how much values are here? 1. E1 value already they provided in the question C. 1 and 0.15. Again, E2 also, N2 also 1 into 0.50 by 2, NT equal to 2 electrons. By solving, you will get 0.325. This is your answer, sir. Tomorrow you will get same type of model question. Please practice, and same thing I will upload in the video also. You may can check it again one more time. But you have to solve the question. 100% everyone this type of model question you have to solve tomorrow in examination. Okay. Anyway, practice on rough paper and come back. We'll see next class. Next equation. Okay. Take break. And next class onwards we'll take attendance. Huh? Thank you very much. 0.325. Your answer, sir. Check it. Final answer this is. Thank you very much. Take break.